Smooth file transfer between Pixel and computer is crucial for productivity and convenience. However, you may encounter frustrating hurdles, such as Google Pixel file transfer not working. We'll explore 8 potential solutions to address the Google Pixel file transfer problem. Part 1. Why Google Pixel file transfer is not working. Incorrect phone mode for file transfer, defective cables or USB ports, improper USB settings on the phone, interference from third-party software, outdated computer software or drivers causing compatibility issues. Part 2. How to fix Google Pixel file transfer not working 8 ways. Fix 1. Check USB cable. Fix 2. Enable USB debugging. Fix 3. Enable file transfer mode. Fix 4. Install drivers. Fix 5. Reinstall the transfer app. Fix 6. Utilize a USB device. Fix 7. Update macOS. Fix 8. Restart Pixel and computer. Part 3. How to transfer data from Google Pixel to computer smoothly. Mobikin Assistant for Android Win and Mac streamlines file transfers between Pixel devices and computers. It is designed to cater to all Android users who want to migrate data across devices without interruption. How to copy files from Pixel to your computer with Mobikin Assistant for Android. Open the program, connect Pixel to a computer via USB. If prompted, enable USB debugging on your phone. Go to Folders with desired files, Preview, select, and tap Export to transfer from Pixel to computer. Note: if you wish to back up all your Pixel files in batches, go to Super Toolkit Backup. Go for a local folder to save the backed up files. Click on Backup. You can then copy all the files from your phone to your PC and restore what you want from this backup as needed.